Learning outcomes. After watching this video, you will be able to draw the shapes of atomic orbitals, state Aufbau's principle, Pauli's exclusion principle, and Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. Write the electronic configuration of atoms.
Shapes of atomic orbitals. S orbitals are spherical in shape, p orbitals are dumbbell shaped, d orbitals are di-dumbbell shaped or clover leaf shaped, f orbitals are double clover leaf shaped. Shape of s orbital. According to Max Born, the square of the wave function at a point gives the probability density of the electron at that point. Boundary surface diagrams of constant probability density for different orbitals give a fairly good representation of the shapes of the orbitals. So for orbital we use boundary surface diagrams. Boundary surface diagram, the nucleus is taken to be at the origin. The p orbital consists of two sections called lobes that are on either side of the plane where the two lobes touch each other. The size, shape and energy of three orbitals are identical. Since the lobes are considered along the x, y and z axis, they are designated as 2px, 2py, 2pz orbitals. In the boundary surface diagram, the nucleus is taken to be at the origin. The p orbitals consist of two sections called lobes that are on either side of the plane where the two lobes touch each other. The size, shape and energy of the three orbitals are identical. Since the lobes are considered along the x, y and z axis, they are designated as 2px, 2py and 2pz. The orbital in which lobes are along the x-axis, that is called 2px orbital. Orbital in which the two lobes are along the y-axis is considered as 2py orbital, and the orbital in which the lobes are along the z-axis, that is considered as pz orbital. Shapes of d orbitals. For d orbitals, L is 2 and M has 5 values. The 5d orbitals are designated as dxy, dyz, dxz, dx square minus y square, dz square. The shape of the first 4d orbitals are similar to each other, that is double dumbbell shaped or clover leaf shaped. Dxy, dyz, dxz. These orbitals are present in between the axes, but the orbital dx square minus y square, in this the lobes are present along the x and y axis. Dz square, that last fifth one, is different from others, but all five have 3d orbitals and are equivalent in energy. Nodes for the orbitals. The region where this probability of finding an electron reduces to zero is called nodal surface or simply nodes. In general, for an ns orbital has n-1 nodes, that is, number of nodes increasing with the increase of quantum number n. Therefore, 2s it will be 1 and for 3s it will be 2. When two nodal planes pass through the same origin and bisecting the xy plane and z plane, these nodes are called angular nodes. Angular nodes are denoted by L. There are one angular node for the p orbitals and two angular nodes for d orbitals. The total number of nodes are given by n-1, that is sum of L angular nodes and n-1 real nodes. Some important terms related to atom. Degenerate orbitals. The orbitals which have the same energy are called degenerate orbitals. Means the orbitals in a subshell are called degenerate orbitals. Like 3D is having 5 orbitals, so all these 5 orbitals have same energy, so considered as degenerate orbitals. Ground state. The 1s orbital in a hydrogen atom correspond to the most stable condition and is called the ground state, and an electron residing in this orbital is strongly held by the nucleus. Excited state. The electrons residing in the 2s, 2p or higher orbitals in the hydrogen atom are said to be in the excited state. The attractive interaction of an electron increases with the increase of the positive charge on the nucleus. Shielding effect. Due to the presence of electrons in the inner shells, the electron in the outer shells will not experience full positive charge of the nucleus. The effect will be lowered due to the partial screening of the positive charge on the nucleus by the inner shell electrons. This is known as shielding of outer electron from the nucleus by the inner shell electrons, and the net positive charge experienced by the outer electrons is known as effective nuclear charge. Effective nuclear charge is always less than the nuclear charge of the atom. N plus L rule for energies of orbitals. In atom, there are different types of orbitals which have different energies. To compare the energies of orbitals, we have a very simple rule, that is N plus L rule. According to this rule, the lower the value of N plus L for an orbital, the lower is its energy. For example, 1s value of n is 1, value of L is 0, so n plus L is 1. For 2s orbital, value of n is 2, value of L is 0, and value of n plus L is 2. This indicates that 2s having more value of n plus L, that's why its energy is greater than 1s orbital. But for example, if we compare 2p and 3s orbitals, for these two orbitals, the value of n plus L is same. In this case, the second statement will help us. If two orbitals have the same value of n plus L, the orbital with lower value of n will have the lower energy. So 2p, which is having lower value of n, has lesser energy than the 3s orbital. So by using n plus L values, we are able to find the electronic configurations. The distribution of electrons into orbitals of an atom is called its electronic configuration. Think of it as being similar to your address. The electronic configuration tells us where all the electrons live. Electronic configuration can be represented in two ways. Normal notations like 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, and orbital diagram like forming box and showing arrow as the electrons. Rules for writing electronic configuration of atoms. There are three rules which we use to write the electronic configuration of the atoms. Aufbau's principle, Pauli's exclusion principle, Hund's rule. We will discuss all these three rules one by one. So first rule is Aufbau's principle. Aufbau is a German word which means building up. So Aufbau is not the name of a scientist. This principle states in the ground state of the atoms, the orbitals are filled in order of the increasing energies. In other words, electrons first occupy the lowest energy orbitals available to them and then enter into higher energy orbital only after lower energy orbital is filled. Increasing order of energies of the orbitals is as follows. 1s has lesser energy than 2s, then 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s, 4d, 5p, 4f, 5d, 6p, and 7s, and so on. Order of filling up of electrons. This is very easy way to find the order in which electrons are filled in the orbitals. 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s, 4d, 5p, 6s, 4f, 5d, 6p, 7s, then 5f, 6d, and 7p. If you find the total of electrons in all these orbitals, as that will be 118, that is the number of electrons present in the modern periodic table. Pauli's exclusion principle. According to this principle, no two electrons in an atom have the same set of four quantum numbers. Or it can also be stated or concluded as only two electrons may exist in the same orbital, and these electrons must have opposite spin. Means one electron rotate in clockwise direction and other shows the anti-clockwise rotation. Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. This rule deals filling of electrons in the orbitals belonging to the same subshell of equal energies called degenerate orbitals, like filling of electron in 2p orbitals or 3d orbitals. It states that pairing of electrons in the orbitals belonging to the same subshell does not take place until each orbital of that subshell gets one electron that is singly occupied. For example, in the carbon, two electrons in the 1s, two electrons enter in 2s, one electron is entering in 2px and the next sixth electron is not entering in the 2px, that is going to the 2py orbital. So the pairing will not take place until the each orbital of that subshell get one electron. So, like in oxygen, the pairing of electrons starts by fourth electron in 2p subshell. Electronic configurations of some elements: hydrogen 1s1, helium 1s2. Lithium contains 3 electrons, so its configuration becomes 1s2, 2s1. Like in fluorine, there are 9 electrons, so its configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. For scandium, the atomic number is 21, so electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d1. Note that all the numbers in the electronic configuration add up to the atomic number of that element. Like in the case of neon, the atomic number is 10, so electrons in 1s2, 2s2 and 2p6, 6 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 10. Shorthand electronic configurations. Because electrons fill orbitals in regular pattern, we can shorten the work of writing electronic configuration by using the preceding noble gas as a template. The electron in the completely filled electronic shell with the highest principal quantum number are called valence electrons. We write valence electrons, that is those furthermost or which involve in the bonding and chemical reactions only. We can represent electronic configuration of elements in two ways. For example, the sodium having atomic number as 11, so its configuration can be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1, or in shorthand we can write sodium 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. This electronic configuration because belongs to neon, so we can write neon 3s1. Stability of completely filled and half-filled subshells. In certain elements such as copper or chromium, where the two subshells 4s and 3d differ slightly in their energies, an electron shifts from a subshell of lower energy 4s to a subshell of higher energy 3d, provided such a shift results in all orbitals of the subshell of higher energy getting either completely filled or half filled to become stable. The completely filled and completely half-filled subshells are stable due to following reasons: symmetrical distribution of electrons and exchange energy. Electronic configuration of chromium. The atomic number of chromium is 24, so its configuration should be 3d4 4s2, argon 3d4 4s2, but its configuration is 3d5 4s1. One electron from 4s is shifting to the 3d, so that this 3d5 become half filled stable configuration. Electronic configuration of copper. The valence electronic configuration of copper is 3d10 4s1, not 3d9 4s2, because when one electron from 4s shifts towards 3d9 3d orbitals, it becomes 3d10, which is half filled stable configuration.